guys, my name is Hayls and I'm back again on the RayBan Meta YouTube channel to show you part 2 of the best, most useful and most hidden life hacks on the RayBan Meta glasses that you'll use every day. Okay, so for life hack number 1, you're going to open the Meta AI app, tap on your glasses, then onto connected apps, and finally onto Shazam, where you can connect your Shazam app to the RayBan Meta glasses, which essentially means you can ask your glasses what's playing around you, like, "Hey Meta, what song is currently playing?"
Listening now. Shazam says, "God mode my Konstantin Garbuzuk."
And they'll tell you right away. Nice. Also, if you forget what Meta told you, don't worry, you'll find every single song your glasses picked up in the Shazam app. Then moving on to hack number 2, for this one, if you go into the audio settings and turn on adaptive volume, next go back into your connected apps. And now just make sure you've connected your music app. You can connect Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Audible, and even iHeartRadio. Then once you've got one connected, say, "Hey Meta, play my music," to start playing. But here's the trick. Because you turned on adaptive volume, they'll now automatically adjust their own volume to high, medium, or low, depending on if your environment is noisy, normal, or quiet. Pretty wild at what these glasses can do, but things are going to get even crazier. So Meta AI is actually kind of an expert in languages, and it can translate them in real time for you. It's ridiculously easy, so for hack number 3, grab your phone and open the Meta AI app, tap on this translate button, then pick a language like French if that's what the other person is speaking. It'll quickly download that language so you can use it even when you're off Wi-Fi. And next, just pick your language, like I'll stick with English. Now, there are 2 awesome ways to use this. The first way is to say, "Hey Meta, start live translation."
Starting live translation from French to English.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Hello, how are you?
How crazy is that? Meta will literally listen to everything the other person says and then translate it back to you into your ears through the speakers in your glasses. But that's not all, because inside the actual Meta AI app, in here you can also start a translation.
Starting live translation from French to English.
So that everything you say will be translated into the other person's language, and you can then play it for them.
Ça va. Comment allez-vous?
Sweet. Now, just for a second, imagine 20 years ago, someone told you that your glasses could tell you the news. Well, for life hack number 4, here's how you can actually do that. It's super simple. All you do is say, "Hey Meta, what is the latest global news?"
Here are the top 3 news stories. An ancient forest has been discovered at the bottom of a massive sinkhole in China.
And boom, Meta gives you a full rundown of everything that's happening out there straight into your ears. But you can also ask it about specific news, like, "Hey Meta, what is the global sports news today?"
The top 3 sports news stories include Tottenham's heartbreaking loss to PSG in the UEFA Super Cup.
And bam, it'll tell you everything new in sports. You can also try this out with entertainment news, tech news, or literally any topic you like. But that's not even the best life hack. This one is. Alright, now always make sure that you're carrying your RayBan Meta AI glasses, because for hack number 5, if you're struggling to decide between 2 things, try this. "Hey Meta, which one of these 2 plants is easier to look after?"
The Calathea sp, is generally easier to care for than the peace lily Spathiphyllum wallacei.
Seriously, Meta will actually help you make better choices, but this works with a ton of different things. Like, "Hey Meta, will cotton or wool keep me warmer?"
Wool generally provides better warmth than cotton, as it traps heat well and retains insulating properties even when wet.
And even, "Hey Meta, which one of these peppers is hotter?"
Habanero peppers are generally hotter than the red chili peppers in the right bowl.
I mean, this works with just about anything, so if you're ever stuck, just remember 99% of the time, your glasses will help you make the best option. It honestly feels like having a real life hack. And you know what else feels like a life hack? Subscribing to the RayBan Meta YouTube channel for more sick tricks like these.